Hello, everyone. Welcome to another market forecast. So let's start with the news. Um, at 6 a.m. local time, we're gonna have GBP. Okay, but this doesn't matter because it's not the New York kill zone, and I don't trade the New York kill, the London kill zone. All right, but on the New York, while we are on the New York kill zone, we're gonna have 8:15 a.m. USD high impact news that we should be very aware of. Okay, and we are also going to have 10 a.m. New York local time CAD high impact news and medium impact news. But anyways, this one I wouldn't share. Okay, so be aware of that. We're gonna have like a 1 hour of trading, like free from news, and then we're gonna start having news. Keep that in mind. Okay, so let's go to the actual forecast. So DXY, right? Tapped into the weekly bullish order block, now turning bullish and walking towards this weekly fair value gap, which is in line with this buy side liquidity that I think price will reach, and also this bearish order block that price will probably target. Okay, so I think it's very likely that price will move into this buy side liquidity. All right. So this will be the target of the day, the main target of the day, okay? Um, we already closed above this bearish order block, okay? Maybe you could see some sort of pullback here, but anyways, I think they're very likely to move from here to the buy side liquidity, okay? 12-hour time frame, bullish order block was traded but never tested. I don't think it will be tested before reaching this buy side liquidity, all right? Uh, what the fuck with this candle? Right. Yep. A tiny candle, leaving a bullish level gap, which was already filled, and then started moving up. All right. Anyways, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, it created a fair value gap, right? And price has already retraced into it, and then it's starting to move up. Okay, so showing a proper fair value gap reaction. We had no candle closures below the fair value gap, which is very good. And now we're going to see upwards movement. Okay, so as you guys can see, this high is very likely to be tested out, right? It's very likely that we're going to reach this high. This high, I think, will be reached. This will be, those are the easiest targets, okay? And if we start the New York session and we haven't hit this buy side liquidity yet, this will not be a problem because we could just target these highs, but if it happened already, we could only target this buy side liquidity right here, all right? This high right here. And we have like a, I don't know, 10 pip range, which is quite good. Okay, 30 minute. All right, 30 minute. Here, as you can see, like liquidity pool, sweeping the lows, order block created, respected, another order block created, and respected right here. Okay, so price has been respecting all bullish order blocks that we should be aware of. So this is enough for me to consider a bullish order flow. All right, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So on 15 minutes, same thing, order block being respected. Again, order block being respected, and then we're probably gonna oh, and we already respected this other order block right now, and then we're starting moving up. So I think it's very likely that we're gonna go to this buy side liquidity right here. All right. Anyways, let's go to Euro USD. So, as you guys can see, I am bullish on DXY for today too, just like yesterday. All right. Okay, so weekly time frame. After we tap this inverted fair value gap, price has been uh, disrespecting the daily's PD arrays, bullish PD arrays. So this bullish order block, this other bullish order block. Okay, and we are inside of a fair value gap right now. Okay, and price may start to show a type of bullish reaction, but in my opinion, Um, this is less important than the rest of the context because we just reached a weekly a weekly inverted favela gap, and after we reached it, price has already been disrespecting bullish PD arrays, so we are on a bearish order flow in my opinion. Plus, DXY is very bullish. It's clearly bullish. I don't see any reasons for DXY to move down now. Okay, as a moment I'm talking to you right now. So I think we'll go deeper today. All right. So 12-hour, tiny little fair value gap right here. I don't think we're going to test this today. I don't know. Anyways, let's see. 4-hour time frame. We had a fair value gap that was created, and price has already tapped it, and now it's starting to move down. Okay. 1-hour time frame. Price is in the middle of two PD arrays that it is respecting right now. Okay, so we have a bullish order block on the 1 hour, and we have a bearish order block on the 1 hour too. So this was validated right here, and then price respected it, and then starting to move up. Okay, move down into this bullish order block, creating this bearish order block, and price got back to it again and started respecting it. So I'd like to see a candle closure below this bullish order block for me to consider that price will get out of this range bound price action right here. And then we can maybe consider some type of entries, all right? 30-minute time frame. All right, only 30-minute. We have a fair value gap that price has been respecting. Okay, so I think that we will probably take out this low if price doesn't want to respect this bullish order block and this 30-minute bullish order block too. Wait, yes, all right. Okay, but I'd like to see a candle closure below this 1 hour order block. And let me just correct it because this is wrong. All right, okay. And notice how this bullish order block is very in line with the 30-minute order block. Let me just configure it. Oh my God, 30-minute. All right, it's the 1 hour. All right. So candle closure below it, we should have a confirmation, all right, that we are actually moving down. Okay. If we have a candle closure below this bearish order block, this bullish order block, I believe in two scenarios. Okay. Actually, if we have a candle closure, I believe that we're going to have this scenario. Okay. But if we don't have a candle closure, we're probably going to go take this London high, this London high right here, and probably this high too. I don't know. To then continue moving down, all right, which would be a stronger manipulation up to then move down. As you guys can see, we already had a manipulation up on the day to then continue moving down. This manipulation, in my opinion, would be enough for me to consider selling just because of it. All right, of course, we have other factors that we should factor in, and some all of those to then consider what we're going to do in the marketplace. But anyways, I think that this manipulation is good, but I don't disconsider another manipulation up, taking out this high, maybe this high. This high is very probably to be taken out if this 1 hour order block is respected. But anyways, let's see what happens. So we already had a buy side liquidity sweep, and then we're starting to move down. But we are inside of a 1 hour bullish order block that price has been clearly respecting. So I would like to see price getting out of this region, closing a nice candle down, okay, before we can consider doing anything in the marketplace. All right. Let's see if I'm missing anything, but I don't think I am. All right, yeah. So bearish order block being respected. Anyways, So I think you guys get it, right? Maybe if we close down, we could use this inverted 15-minute fair value gap that will be formed. All right. Let me just, okay, 15 minute until 15 minute. All right. Price has been respecting this fair value gap right here. But if price wants to respect this higher hierarchy fair value gap, it will disrespect it, this one, and then we're probably going to use it as an inverted fair value gap in our direction. Okay. So, regarding the market forecast, I think that's all. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you like the video, like it down below. If you like the channel's content, please consider subscribing to it. Okay, so be aware of 8:15 a.m. New York local time news and 10 a.m. New York local time um, CAD news, okay, but the most important, in my opinion, would be this one, okay, because it's USD and it's also high impact. This is not so important, but anyways, we should be careful. I will be do the protocol that I always do when it's about news, which is stop trading 10 minutes before and come back when the volatility is a little bit lower and the spread is a little bit lower again. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Trade safe. Bye.